how to stretch text in Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Canva website right here. And once we are now in our project, the next thing that we need to do is to go here and click the app button, which is right here. And then on the search bar, just search for Typecraft and then click enter. Once you click that, click this one again and then click open. Once you click the open right there on this part, you will see this text. So just type the text that you want to edit. So let's say, for example, that we want to edit the text example. And then for the font, you can just choose which font you would like to use right here. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this one. So just click that and then let's go back. And then once we are now done, you can also change the style. So you have none, unfilled, and outline. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. Same goes for the colors. So if you want to change it, it's up to you. Now, for the mirror points, it's also up to you if you want to edit it, but I will just leave it as it is. And then for the edit shape, this is where we can stretch the text. So you can do that by just dragging this one right here. Also this one and this one. So you can edit it however you want by just dragging the points right here. So we can, of course, edit like this, like this. It's really up to you however you want to edit it. So let's say, for example, that we want to add this text right here. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to just click Add Element to Design. And as you can see, we now have added the text, which is right here. And that is basically it. Once again, that is how to stretch text in Canva.